Chery revives Freelander brand with electrified crossover. The Chinese automaker Chery is bringing back the Freelander nameplate in a collaboration with JLR, launching a new line of electrified crossovers specifically for the Chinese market. Leaked crash test images have surfaced ahead of the official unveiling on March 31st, offering a first look at the design. Design echoes original Freelander. The new Freelander clearly draws inspiration from the original Land Rover model, featuring blocky proportions and squared-off headlights. The front lighting graphic closely matches the design Chery previewed earlier this week, confirming a deliberate stylistic link to the iconic British SUV. While initial sales will be limited to China, Chery has hinted at potential for global expansion in the future. According to JLR China President Pan, electrified platform and market positioning, the new Freelander will be built on Chery's in-house T1X platform currently used for models like the Yiku 7 and will launch as a plug-in hybrid. Chery aims to capture a tech-savvy Chinese consumer base by blending the Freelander's heritage with modern electrification. The launch of this model will fill a gap in Chery JLR's lineup, replacing the Land Rover Discovery Sport and Range Rover Evoque, production of which will cease this year. The Freelander will be sold through dedicated Chery dealerships, operating independently from JLR's luxury-focused House of Brands strategy. This separation allows Chery to target a different segment, avoiding direct competition with JLR's higher-end imported models like the Range Rover and Defender. The revival of the Freelander demonstrates Chery's aggressive expansion in the EV market, leveraging brand recognition to capture a significant share in China's rapidly growing automotive sector. This move signifies a strategic shift to cater to domestic demand while laying the groundwork for potential global reach.